Guys, here's your sunflower field cultivator. It's a model 523127. That's what's on the serial number plate there. Your sunflower plate. It's got like 7-foot wings, like a 10-foot base, we think. Yeah, about a 10-foot base where it folds right here. 2 7-foot wings. Should make it about 24 foot. And it also has got a smaller cultivator attached to the rear. This did not come with this new, but it's a good, nice deal. It's been if you don't want it, take the bolts loose. It's not welded on it. It's also got a very nice heavy hitch on the rear of it. Now this is welded to it. Hitch here, and you got hydraulics running out of here. This thing's set up real nice. These shanks are tight on there. It's a good narrow base field cultivator, and it's also got your walking tandem on there for your flotation tires. It's got your big cylinders on there. This thing should be set up like you would want one set up. The hoses on the front look pretty good too. You've got 4 hoses up here. You got a nice jack on there.